Solid advice about how to make money online that will benefit everyone. Just deciding to make money from the internet can be enough to actually start doing it. If you already have a computer with a connection to the internet, you may already have all the physical supplies you need. Couple this with great information, and you've got a winning combination. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. Now that you've got some good ideas, you can begin to make money online. If you spend time researching all your available options before getting started, you will be in good shape. Read videos like the one above to help you learn more, open your horizons and set you up for success. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.